Tuke pachoka SJAK oketo kokgi e winjruok mar dhi nyime gi sir kowuok kuom kambi mar LG ma osebedo ka konyo riwruogno e tayo mich mag jotugo ma sulwe ma dwe ka dwe. E oragno, kambi mar LG ochiwo sir mar $3.5 kuom higa achiel mabiro ka direkta mar kambino pinje mag Afrika ma Ugwe Dong Won-lee olero ni mich ma kamae osekonyo e gero weche mag tuke pacho kae. Moko kuom jotugo ma oseyudo mich mag jotugo ma sulwe mar dwe ka dwe oting'o Eliud Kipchoge, Aldrin Kibet, Fernando Omanyala kaachiel kod Karan Patel mosenindo Kelvin Kiptum e kind jotugo mamoko.
For this long partnership we've had 9 years now, we are just about to sign the 10th edition of Sports Personality of the Month award. So we are very excited with all this partnership. We are looking forward to a more working relationship with you, LG. We've come a long way, and we also plan to make better our relationship to give you value for money.
I can proudly say the award has been influential in recognizing Kenya's inspirational sports personalities. At LG, we are committed to supporting the development of sports and in this country, so as a way of promoting physical and mental health. So it is for this reason that this year we think it's wise to expand the support of our heroes to communities and institutions of the learning as a way of supporting and inspiring a coming sports giant across the diverse disciplines.